Hello friends, let's crochet this cow. In this video, we will learn to crochet the legs of the cow. I am using chenille yarn of Nako brand. To start this project, first make a slip knot and chain 2, or if you prefer, you can use magic ring also. Into the magic ring or the first chain of the chain 2, make 6 single crochet. In the row 2, make 6 single crochet increase, which is doing 2 single crochet in the same stitch. In the row 3, we will make 12 single crochet. Before completing this row, we will change the yarn color into the main body color. For round 4 and 5, we will just continue making single crochet in each stitch. Now pause the video and make another leg. I will show you how to join them in the next step. After making the second leg, do not cut the yarn. In the last stitch of the last round, put your hook and make a single crochet. This will be the first stitch of the next row. For the row 6 and 7, single crochet in each stitch. In the row 8, we will make 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Increase means 2 single crochet in the same stitch. For the round 9, 10 and 11, we will just make 1 single crochet in each stitch. From the round 12 onwards, we will start decreasing. Stuff it well. In the row 13, we will make 2 single crochet and 1 decrease. In the row 14, we will make 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. We are heading towards our last row. We will decrease in each stitch.